I'm giving you a warning. A new day is dawning. Merlene Otty, come, come. We are a go pass one day. We are a go pass one day. Sister a go pass, brother a go pass. We are a go pass one day. We are a go pass one day. We are a go pass one day. Sister a go pass, brother a go pass. We all a go pass one day. Me Bible, me Bible, me Bible and me Shiloh. Me Bible, me Bible, me Bible and me Shiloh. I better bring me Bible, come give me, make me read again. There's a meeting up in heaven, Roka. It's a name written there in the last book of life. Roka, brother, sister, Roka. Roka, Roka. Roka, Roka. There's a meeting up in heaven, Roka. It's a name written there in the last book of life. Roka, brother, sister, Roka. Roka, Roka. Roka, Roka. There's a meeting up in heaven, Roka. It's a name written there in the last book of life. Roka, brother, sister, Roka. Roka,
Merlene Otty, welcome to the competition. It was good to have something different. Everybody bringing the same kind of stuff, and you came with Revival. I like the choice of songs in the Revival medley. It was really a nice choice of songs. What I would have loved is a little bit more variation in the volume, the dynamics. You could have gone, when you sing the Bible part, you could have gone down so soft, right? For contrast,
Your sound is massive, maybe because it's a lot of you.
yes,
Your tone was very authentic. I could relate to the reality. Revival, refreshing. If you perform like that throughout the competition, your name will be written on the trophy.
Merlene Otty, welcome. I enjoyed that, especially roll call, but you seem like it tired you out.
Yes,
you're a bit
everybody-
winded at the end.
yeah.
So you have to manage your energy well. But lovely. I really enjoyed that.